in this pipe wise assembly today we are going to see how to make this handle. So let's open it. First we are going to just make this half part and we will use shaft command to revolve it. For that, first open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design and then part design. After that it is taking some load. Now on this we have to select any plane, so I am selecting top plane, and after that go on sketch option from here. Now here you have to make assembly as it is given in figure. As I told you, you have to first make just half part and we will use shaft command after that. Just make the sketch as it is given in figure. No need to use our brain. Sorry guys. Now let's give dimensions to it. So go on constraint command and give dimensions. So first dimension of this is given as 25 divided by 2. After that, distance between this bigger line and at the central axis, it is given to us as 10. 20 divided by 2, that is 10. After that, distance between both of this is given as 12 divided by 2, that is 6, and in between both of this it is given as 4. And now distance between this external axis to this central axis, it is total distance is not given to us actually, sorry guys. This distance between both of this line is given to us as 25. After that, from here to here it is from here to here it is given as 121, and from distance between this vertical length of this horizontal line is given as 4, and this horizontal line is given as 6. Sorry guys, I don't know what the thing is happening. Now this distance is given to us as 4, and this is at 6 and this as 10. And now again angle between both of this line is given to us at 60. You can check it by calculations. And now this is how we have completed our sketch. After that, go on exit to workbench and then use this shaft command. Here you have to select the axis. You can see this is the axis and you have to select the axis. So I have selected this axis. I need to zoom first and just select proper. I don't know why it is not taking, but you can just select it from here, and this is how you can also select by this. Now you have to go on any plane which will be normal to this handle. After that, go on sketch command, and here you have to make one circle at the center. Go on constraint command and give dimensions to it. Diameter is given to us as 11, and distance between this line to this external is given as 12.5, so this is 12.5, and after that go on exit to workbench and just make pocket from here and make it up to last and mirror up to sorry guys, you have to make dimensions and just take it any dimensions and just make mirror extend, so it will be on both side. And now here you have to give chamfer, so select the chamfer, and length is given to us as 2 and angle is given as 45. Just select the edge and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our handle. Thank you so much guys for watching it.